Welcome to home cooking. It's easy. Everyone can cook. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make cheesy garlic bread. This cheesy garlic bread is my favorite garlic bread recipe. It takes minutes to put together. So cheesy, so delicious. It's the perfect side dish for pasta and Italian dishes. In mixing bowl, add butter. Add garlic. Add pepper. Add parsley. Stir together to mix well. Set aside. Slice bread in half. Spoon and spread mixture evenly over entire surface of both bread halves. Wrap foil over bread. Bake 10 minutes in oven at 400 degree. Remove from oven, open foil. Sprinkle bread evenly with cheeses. Return to oven, bake uncovered for 10 minutes. Cut into slices and serve warm.